If you're brand new to real estate investing, you've probably heard about a dozen different ways to get started. After more than 20 years in real estate and after doing thousands of deals, I believe the best way for most beginners to start investing in real estate in 2026 is wholesaling. Not because wholesaling is easy money, it's not. Not because you'll get rich overnight, you probably won't. Wholesaling is the best place to start because it teaches you nearly every fundamental skill you need to become a successful real estate investor without requiring you to immediately risk hundreds of thousands of dollars buying and owning property. So on this video, I'm gonna explain exactly why wholesaling is the best first real estate business, what it will teach you, and what you need to know before getting started in 2026. Coming up.
Attention wholesalers. There is a revolutionary new system called AI Flipper that uses AI to call sellers and set appointments for you. If you want to close more deals in less time, go to myaiflipper.com now.
If you're new here, my name is Jerry Norton. I've been wholesaling and flipping real estate for over 20 years, and here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to master the process. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. If you're new to real estate investing, first, let me explain why you probably shouldn't start with flipping or holding rentals. Let's start with flipping. A lot of new investors want to begin by flipping a house. I understand why. Flipping is exciting. You buy an ugly property, renovate it, make it beautiful, and hopefully sell it for a large profit. But flipping also requires capital, financing, contractors, insurance, permits, project management, and the ability to absorb unexpected problems. What happens if the renovation costs $30,000 more than expected? What if the contractor disappears? What if the market changes while you're renovating? What if the house doesn't sell? What if you have to make loan payments for 6 extra months? If you make a major mistake on a wholesale deal, you may lose your earnest money or the time and money you invested in finding the opportunity. If you make a major mistake on a flip, you could lose tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now that doesn't mean you should never flip houses. Flipping can be an incredible business. But before you risk your money or someone else's money, you should first get good at finding, evaluating, and negotiating profitable deals. Wholesaling teaches you how to do that. What about buying and holding rentals? Well, rentals can be one of the greatest long-term wealth building strategies in real estate. They can produce cash flow, appreciation, and tax advantages. But rentals are a long-term strategy. They require money for down payments, closing costs, repairs, and reserves. You also need to understand financing, property management, tenant screening, maintenance, and your local landlord-tenant laws. Most importantly, you need to know how to buy correctly. Buying a bad rental property doesn't become a good decision just because you hold it for 30 years. Wholesaling teaches you how to identify discounted properties and understand what makes a real estate deal profitable. You can then use the income and experience from wholesaling to start buying rentals intelligently. Wholesaling can become the bridge between having little capital and eventually owning income-producing assets. So let's talk about wholesaling. Let's begin with a simple definition. Real estate wholesaling is when you find a motivated seller, negotiate an agreement to purchase the property at a discount, and then sell or assign your contractual interest to another investor for a profit. Here's a basic example. A distressed property is worth $200,000 after it's renovated and fixed up. You estimate that it will need $40,000 in renovations. Based on the numbers, you negotiate an agreement to buy it for, let's say, $90,000. You then find a cash buyer willing to take over the deal for $100,000. The seller gets the $90,000 they agreed to accept, the cash buyer gets a profitable investment opportunity, and you, the wholesaler, earn the $10,000 difference as your wholesale fee. You're not pretending to be the owner, and you're not acting as someone's real estate agent. You're buying an equitable interest in the property through a purchase and sale agreement, then selling that interest, assuming your contract and state law allow it. Now, I will say this, the exact rules for wholesaling vary by state. Some states require specific disclosures, registrations, licenses, and cancellation rights. That means you must understand the laws where you operate, use the proper agreements, and disclose that you're wholesaling. Now, I maintain a free report which has a breakdown of all the wholesale regulations nationwide and what you must do to stay compliant, and I'll give that to you for free. Just go to wholesaleregulations.com and make sure you wholesale correctly in your state. But when it's done legally and transparently, wholesaling solves real problems for motivated sellers. It creates opportunities for investors, and it gives beginners a powerful way to learn the real estate business. In fact, I believe there are 10 fundamental skills that wholesaling teaches you that you should learn before you do other investing strategies. Now, I'm going to discuss each of these skills as well as share with you several free resources to help you learn each of them. The first thing wholesaling teaches you is how to find motivated sellers. Real estate investing is primarily about acquiring good deals, usually with equity, and wholesaling teaches you how to acquire discounted properties from motivated sellers. You see, it's not just about finding houses for sale. That's easy. It's about finding situations where a property owner has a problem and selling the property can solve that problem. Maybe the property is vacant. Maybe it was inherited. Maybe the owners are behind on payments. Maybe the house needs extensive repairs. Maybe the owner is moving, going through a divorce, or dealing with a difficult tenant. Wholesaling teaches you how to find these motivated sellers that are willing to sell at a discount for the speed and convenience of cash. With wholesaling, you learn how to market directly to sellers and agents to find motivated sellers. I believe learning how to consistently generate motivated seller leads is one of the most valuable skills in real estate because deals are the lifeblood of every investing strategy. That's why I co-founded a free motivated seller data website called PropWire. Start your first search for free at propwire.com. Okay, the second skill wholesaling teaches is how to evaluate a property's condition. You learn how to examine its condition and identify the major components that may need repaired. The roof, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, foundation, windows, flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, and so on. You don't need to become a licensed contractor, but you do need to understand what you're looking at and how the property's condition affects its value. The more properties you evaluate, the more confident and accurate you become. Now, that experience is incredibly valuable when you eventually start flipping houses or buying rentals. I recommend you get my Rehab Estimator tool that has each item of a renovation in a checklist so you don't miss anything. Now, I'll give this to you for free. I'll put the download link in the description below for you. The third skill wholesaling teaches is how to estimate renovation cost. How much will it cost to replace the roof? How much does a new kitchen cost? How much should you budget for flooring, paint, and bathrooms? What are the expensive warning signs that could destroy the profitability of a deal? Your first repair estimate probably won't be perfect. That's okay. You can walk properties with contractors, experienced investors, and cash buyers. You can compare your estimate to actual bids and learn from every property. Over time, you begin recognizing repairs quickly and estimating costs with much greater accuracy. By the way, I developed a simple method that determines the cost of renovation based on the square footage of the property and whether or not it needs a light, average, or heavy renovation. Using this tool, you can get a fairly accurate cost breakdown in about 60 seconds. And I'll give you this analyzer tool for free. Just go to mydealanalyzer.com. The fourth skill wholesaling teaches you is how to determine the value of a property. That means finding comparable sales, commonly called comps. You'll compare recently sold properties based on location, size, age, condition, bedrooms, bathrooms, construction style, and other relevant features. You'll learn the difference between a fully renovated retail property and a dated property that happens to be located nearby. This helps you determine the after repair value, or ARV. If you can't accurately determine value, you can't accurately calculate an offer. Learning how to quickly and accurately determine value is a skill you will use for the rest of your investing career. So be sure to get my free comp tool. Go to compmydeal.com. Now, once you understand the property's value and repair costs, the fifth skill wholesaling teaches you is how to calculate the maximum price you can pay so that you have a profitable deal for a cash buyer and still make a wholesale profit. In order to calculate the offer price, you have to account for the purchase price, renovation cost, closing cost, financing costs, holding costs, selling costs, the investor's desired profit, and finally, your wholesale fee. Learning how to make offers teaches you an important lesson. You make your money when you buy. Wholesaling teaches you how to acquire profitable deals because if you don't, no one will want the deal and you won't make a wholesale fee. That skill will save you from investing in bad deals in the future if you decide to flip houses or hold rentals. Now be sure to get my offer calculator, which tells you the price you need to be at on every deal. To get the free download, just go to freeoffercalculator.com. The sixth skill wholesaling teaches you is how to negotiate with sellers. Wholesaling is a sales business, and that makes some people uncomfortable. But learning sales will help you in nearly every area of your life and business. Wholesaling teaches you how to build rapport, ask good questions, overcome objections, and understand what the seller actually needs. Not every seller is primarily motivated by price. Some need speed, some need certainty, some want to leave unwanted belongings behind, some need additional time to move, some value convenience and simplicity more than getting the highest possible price. Your job isn't to pressure people into selling. Your job is to understand their situation, explain the available options, and determine whether your solution is a good fit. Sometimes the best advice is for the seller to list the property with an agent. If that's genuinely their best option, tell them. That honestly builds a sustainable business and protects your reputation. And after negotiating thousands of deals with sellers over the years, I developed a proven 8-step framework I use to close sellers. And I'll give it to you for free. To get the download, just go to mycloserframework.com. The 7th skill wholesaling teaches you is how real estate contracts work. You learn about purchase price, earnest money, inspection periods, closing dates, assignment provisions, title requirements, default remedies, contingencies, seller disclosures. Wholesaling teaches you how to fill out contracts and then sell your contractual rights for a profit. You also learn that contracts aren't casual pieces of paper. They create legal obligations, and in today's environment with wholesale laws and regulations in a growing number of states, using wholesale compliant contracts are essential. Now, I update my contracts regularly, and you can get the latest version for free. To download my entire wholesale contract suite for free, go to wholesalecontracts.com. Of course, always consult competent legal counsel before transacting in your state. Okay, the 8th skill wholesaling teaches you is how to find cash buyers. Finding a discounted property is only half of the wholesale business. You also need someone who has access to cash, who wants the deal to fix and flip or hold as a rental. Building relationships with cash buyers, landlords, rehabbers, and other investors is another valuable lifelong skill to acquire. Wholesaling teaches you what they buy, where they buy, how much they'll pay, and how quickly they can close. You learn how to identify real buyers, and building a strong cash buyer list becomes valuable throughout your entire investing career. These buyers can become your partners, lenders, referral sources, and repeat customers. I even developed a cash buyer directory that has over 200,000 cash buyers nationwide, with buyers in every market in the US. Just enter a zip code to see cash buyers who recently bought in that area using all cash. And these are your best potential buyers for wholesale deals. And I'll give you 100 cash buyers for free. Just go to freecashbuyers.com. The 9th skill wholesaling teaches you is how the transaction process works to buy and sell real estate. Wholesaling introduces you to the people and processes that make transactions close. You'll work with investor-friendly title companies, closing attorneys, escrow officers, and transaction coordinators. You'll learn about title searches, liens, judgment, probate issues, unpaid taxes, ownership disputes, and other problems that can delay or prevent a closing. Finding a good deal is exciting, but a deal that never closes doesn't pay you anything. Learning how to navigate the closing process separates professional investors from amateurs. And I did a video that explains the title and closing process in detail. I'll put the link to that video in the description below for you. And the 10th skill wholesaling teaches you is perhaps the most valuable skill, and that is how to solve problems. In real estate, especially distressed real estate, every transaction has problems. The seller may need additional time, a title issue may appear, the buyer may back out, the repair estimate may change, a relative may claim an ownership interest, the property may have code violations, unpaid utilities, or a difficult occupant. Successful wholesalers become professional problem solvers. They don't panic whenever something goes wrong. They evaluate the situation, communicate with everyone involved, and find a solution. That ability will serve you no matter what other real estate strategies you end up doing. Okay, now let's address the elephant in the room. If wholesaling teaches you all these valuable skills with limited financial risk, why doesn't everyone succeed? The answer is that although wholesaling as a strategy may be simple to understand, it isn't easy to execute. You need to market consistently, talk to sellers, handle rejection, follow up, analyze properties, make offers, build relationships, solve problems, and continue doing those things even when you haven't been paid yet. A lot of beginners enter wholesaling because someone told them they could make $10,000 without any money or credit. Now that may be technically possible, but it doesn't mean it requires no investment. If you don't have money to invest in marketing, you'll need to invest more time. If you don't have experience, You'll need to invest in education and take enough action to develop that experience. There is always a price. You pay with money, time, effort, or some combination of all three. That's why I put together my Finder program called 10K Club. Now I give you training and resources. You go out and find good deals that meet my criteria. I step in and buy the deal and pay you $10,000 as a finder fee. It's one of the best ways to get started, so if that sounds exciting to you, go to my10kcheck.com to register for a free training to get all the details. So, if you're new to real estate investing in 2026, don't begin by asking which property should I buy. Begin by asking how can I learn to consistently find and evaluate profitable opportunities. Wholesaling gives you the answer. It teaches you how to find motivated sellers, inspect properties, estimate repairs, determine value, calculate offers, negotiate, use contracts, build a buyer's list, work with title companies, and solve transaction problems. You gain real-world investing experience without immediately taking on the full financial risk of owning every property you put under contract. But remember, wholesaling isn't a shortcut around learning the business. Wholesaling is how you learn the business. Do it legally, do it transparently, treat sellers fairly, honor your agreements, take consistent action, and use the skills and income you develop to build the real estate business you ultimately want. Here's what makes wholesaling such a powerful starting point. You can use your first wholesale profit to fund your next stage of investing. Complete a wholesale deal and earn $10,000. Instead of spending it all, reinvest some into marketing, education, and systems. Do more deals. Build consistent income, develop relationships with lenders, contractors, and buyers. Then in time, when you're ready, you can start keeping the very best opportunities. Get a property that would make a good rental. Maybe now that you have the right skills, consider keeping it. A property with an exceptional profit margin, maybe keep it and flip it. Everything else that doesn't fit, wholesale it. Eventually, wholesaling becomes more than one investing strategy. It becomes your deal acquisition engine. That is how you graduate from chasing whatever opportunities happen to appear to intentionally choosing the best exit strategy for every property. Here's what I do. Wholesale some, flip some, maybe keep some, but the common denominator is your ability to find, evaluate, secure, and acquire good deals. Now that you understand why wholesaling is the best place to start, watch this next video where I show you exactly what I would do to get my first wholesale deal if I had to start from zero. Watch that now, and I'll see you on the next video.